Then say when your heart and mind is made up, never listens to side noise, never listen to backyard talk. Be focused, be steadfast, and be prayerful. Know what you want and go for it. Now here where we dey when they start dey call Pella Olodo uprising. And that this wedding wey im wan do so, they wan really see who and who go wan come associate with Olodo uprising like Pella. Who and who go attend im wedding, not to come talk of how im wan take do am. My people, I say make una come see wonders wey dey happen for Pella wedding. Una know say Prince Ochacho wey dey into real estate, wey be multi-billionaire, wey dey base for Abuja, he met with Pella for so wedding. So wedding of last week wey be say everything was just so sudden. Pella met with him and he was just busy shouting, Ochacho, Ochacho, I don meet with Ochacho, God bless you Ochacho. He carry agbada lie down for ground, dey dobale for am, come invite am come im wedding. Even me wey dey here, I was like, toh, are you sure Ochacho can beat up? But with what Pella is doing right now, who knows? My people, I say, Ochacho did not only came to Pella's wedding today, he did the unimaginable. Make I allow una, make una hear wetin Ochacho use im mouth confirm for Pella and Jarvis wedding today, be it on the 1st of August 2026.
I and my family left everything we're doing in Abuja to come through for Pella, because Pella is an inspiration to them Ice King generation. So for that, I rub minds with my sons and I asked them, what can we do for Pella? They said, Daddy, we want Pella to be staying close to Palace 7. You know we have Palace 1, Palace 2, Palace 3, Palace 4, Palace 5, Palace 6, Palace 7. Palace 7 is the one I'm going to celebrate my birthday, my 50th birthday next year. So they said they want Pella to be close to the place. And I said, wow, the houses that are close to the Palace 7, no one is less than 400 million naira. So what do we do? He said, Dad, Pella and Jarvis deserves the mansion. So Pella, on behalf of my children, I am presenting a brand new house for you worth 400 million in Lifecamp, Abuja. Congratulations, Pella.
I love you. God bless you, sir. When we met at Soso wedding, I was jokingly inviting you to my wedding. I did not know that you would come. I swear to God. But you surprised me. Inside your surprise.
Una don hear am? 400 million naira worth of mansion for Lifecamp Abuja. God of yesterday, today, and forever has done what no man can do. I remember when people dey advise Jarvis, telling her that if you marry Pella, you go regret your life. You wey be senior to Pella, you no know who you go marry. Na small Pella na you wan marry. Pella of 21 years old, Jarvis of 24 years old. No wonder they call una Olodo uprising. No wonder this, no wonder that. Wetin they no talk on top of Pella and Jarvis. My people, hey, una know say na still this same yesterday na a live streamer, abi na TikTok live streamer wey dey for Obodo Ibo wey be Pella fans, enter Nigeria gift Pella how many million dollars? Una know wetin be dollars at all? As if that was not enough, they both came down to come and celebrate Pella and Jarvis. This is what we call grace. Pella's own case is that they are trying everything humanly possible to bring him down. But God, we don't talk and say, now him dey rise a man. And for him to rise you up, no matter wetin human being do, it can never bring you down. But if na human being na him carry you up, your fellow human being fit succeed, carry you down. But as e be say na God, nothing wey human being fit do. Like the wedding was a huge success. Some things say na film, but guys, no be film. Capacity 500 capacity hall wey Pella talk say im rent, say make people no come with cameramen. 500 capacity full with people. Some people sef na that day dey pay for asoebi wey dem no see where, because Pella bin don talk am say if you no pay for im asoebi, you are not entering the hall. Na that day dem say some people start dey pay for the asoebi just to enter the hall, make dem see the dignitaries of people wey dey in at ten dance. Chai, my people, if to say Jarvis no marry this guy, e for so pepper me. E for pepper me. Even Jarvis for come dey say Adaino, wey be the last comment of a fool. Some dey say small Pella. It is not about the size. It is not about the age. It is about who God has decided to bless. This is just but a motivation to all of you out there, for you to know that it is not too late, neither is it too early for God to do his wonders. Some people blessing dey come even after rainy season. Some dey come during rainy season. Just know what you want. Frog wey dey for inside water dey do Some go stone am say it's okay, shut up your mouth, don't talk, don't do. The frog go still insist, still dey do for there non-stop. You think say the frog no know wetin e dey do? He know wetin e dey do o. He decided that he's not going to keep quiet. He say this is what he wants. And funny enough, make I shock una. The mindset of the youth for this particular Pella wedding, e don open a lot of youth eye now. I say now, wetin be the talk of the town na say I am not too young to get married. Neither am I too old to get married. I must marry now. I must marry now. If I just get money like this, I go marry. You know say before, some men go dey tell you say, they never reach the age to marry. They still get the criteria, they still get the age wey they suppose reach before they go marry. Pella, this small Pella don come open lot of people eyes. Now they no gree o. Everybody want marry. They want to marry. Everybody want to marry. See as money dey flow. I say I no fit play the video because even Pella don talk am say na only for im channel e go play. And people wey come go dey play am, na dem know wetin dem dey find. Na know say for here we no dey play video. But if una go on all the platforms, una go see where money, like lifetime, na God don bless this guy. He can never be poor in his life. Neither will his second generation be poor. This small boy, who they call Olodo Uprising, don come become billionaire overnight. Hey, make una fear God o. Una see this God, make una fear am o. Make una no stop to dey tell am una problem o. E get why. Say God, he answereth by fire. And this pillar is a proper description of what God cannot do, does not exist. My people, I say make I come tell you now. Say who won't give up? Now he know. But to me, I will tell you for free that God is a God of wonders. At an hour you did not expect, miracle that will change the whole story, that will turn the narrative around, that will wipe away your tears is on the way. Don't stop pushing and never listen to backyard talk. Listen to your inner voice. E get why. My people, na the matter be this. So I say make I come drop am for una, make una hear update o. Make una dey motivated and be moved by spirit. Say e no easy. Do well to share this video. Drop your opinion on the comment section what you think and give the video a massive thumbs up. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.